Thanks for subscribing. This week 48. Keep supporting. Subscribe to this channel. Support it. Let's grow our YouTube channel together. Keep the channel alive. Keep it supporting. Guys, please support this channel and let me grow this channel together, guys. Keep supporting our business week 48. And I know the birds are growing, improvements with the eggs. But I just want to say, guys, want to support this channel. Yes, I'm selling a tray egg for $1,200. Yes, sell it reasonable. Some people sell it more there, but just to get the market, have the customer support. I have any customer support, but I need to expand by raising some money to support and raise the business more. So support, guys. Thanks you all for watching. Keep subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. This is week 48. Love you guys. Keep supporting.